Morning, it's my Jeep update for Saturday, May 19th, about 8 o'clock. And I'm going to start working on my fuel filter, trying to get the leak fixed. And this is what I got at O'Reilly's yesterday. It's a package of 6 retainer clips for my Jeep WJ fuel line. Filter and various other lines. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be working on. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old retainer clip and insert a new one and go from there. My Jeep out. Okay, I had that line on there and I thought I had it locked, but I was able to push it off. And again, this has happened multiple times, so I'm going to go ahead and go with my plan. I'll put the new retainer clip on here. You see I got a little bit of fuel dripping. Almost got it in my face. Remember to wear your safety glasses, and I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. Okay, my Jeep out. Okay, this retainer clips does look like the same one, and before I pull that old one off, I'm going to try something I saw. You see the end of the fuel line connector. It showed that you can also insert this retainer clip in there and then push it on until it locks. I'm going to try that. I'm going to see if it'll go in there okay, and then I'll take the old clip off. Now, okay, I got the old retaining clip off. You see I had to kind of tear it up some, getting it off. Got it off with the needle nose pliers. And that new clip, and as it showed, it went right in. You got to line it up. It's got a hole on each side, and those little clips, they're like little wings, locking wings. They go in there and they got to go in those holes, and then they lock into the connector too. Okay, I'm gonna see if this is gonna go on now. Gotta line these things up so they go on straight. I'll be right back. I got to straighten the line out and the clamp out on the, get those where they're straight on. And we're going to try it again. Absolutely having problems. I don't have this completely lined up. I'm not sure. I may have to squeeze these together. I got to check on this out. Okay guys, I had to use both hands to get the line in position. And as you can see, I got it on. Now I used a pair of pliers and I made the final push of the line towards the filter. Now, I felt a click, but I didn't hear anything. It looks like it's in position. I pulled on it as hard as I could and it wouldn't break loose. So my next plan is, before I install the tank again, because everything's still hooked up as far as lines and fuel lines and all that stuff, I'm going to start it up, and I got to get it running good, smooth, and I'm going to run it for a while and see what it does. And I'll get back with you on it and see what happens. That's my Jeep out. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, I'm getting ready to start it up. The fuel filter's right up in there. If it leaks, that's where it's going to come from. Here we go.
shot. I'm turning the pump on and off a couple of times to help pressurize the fuel line. Okay, I'm going to try it. You don't have much gas in it. Okay, I don't see any leak. And what I'm going to do, still before I install the tank, is I'm going to put more gas in it. Because it's showing it's below a quarter. It's not even an eighth of a tank. Put more gas in it and see what happens. It's my Jeep out.
Okay, this is my Jeep till Saturday. It's about 10 o'clock, and as you can see, it's running. It's running rough, but it's running. And I do have added a little sea foam, not much, just a couple of ounces in there. And it don't have much gas in it. It was showing just a little over an eighth of a tank, and I don't know how accurate that is. I put at least 2.5. I added a little more gas. It should have close to 3 gallons. You can see it's running pretty rough. Now, it was running nice and smooth when I set it up. So far I don't have any lights, but I'll be looking for them. Let's see what we got. It's been running for about 5 minutes. I'm going to check my temperatures. Okay, temperature, I think it's about right. But I don't know if that fan is kicked in yet. Let me see. It should be kicking in. That's something else. Yeah, fan has kicked in. I don't really feel like it's running full speed though. Anyway, you see temperature's about 210.
Anyway, goodbye for today. I had setback yesterday, made a little progress today. I'll update you when I get a little further down the road. Thank you for watching.